If you have active exhaust fitted, this will allow you 4 modes of operation. Mode 1 is the quiet mode. This is where the valve is completely closed and therefore pushes all the exhaust gases through the silencer. Mode 2 is the normal mode. This is the mode the car normally starts in, which has the valve partially open, which allows some of the gases to bypass the silencer. Mode 3 is the sport mode. In this mode, the valve is half open, which allows more gases to bypass the silencer. Mode 4 is the track mode. Now this opens the valve fully and allows all the gases to bypass the silencer. So if you live in a quiet neighbourhood, Ford have thought of this, and they allow a quiet start mode to be enabled in the menu system. So if you go into if you press the pony button, go into the exhaust mode, and you know, with all these, if you go down to the bottom, you get a quiet start, enter that, and then you've got quiet start on, and if it is, you can set the quiet start, and here you can go along and change the times for the start and end of the quiet start. If you're not bothered about a quiet start, then go here and just disable that option like so.